This is my garden. I have tomato, scallion, sweet pepper, hot pepper. I have some small cherry tomatoes to transplant. This is my bean, running lovely. And so, because I want more space, I have to plow up some more land. Me and my son Mikael, we plow the land right around using a hoe. Using my hoe, yes, I can use a hoe. Then I transplanted my mint. That catch in a plastic bag. Yes, I know all about that. So plant is looking lovely so far. Just a tour of my lovely garden again. You'll see everything that you want. I also was able to reap one small tomato, so I can cook with this later.